Monitoring a single site with Acutrace by Pinergy couldn't be simpler. For the best results, please use Chrome as your browser. Set screen resolution to 67% and click the login URL provided by your account manager. Log in using your case-sensitive username and password. Save credentials when prompted. On the right of your dashboard, you'll see the date range picker. With one click, you can explore yesterday, today, the past week, this month, or last month. Need something specific? Set your own custom range and hit apply. Straight away, the insights come alive. Spot day to night patterns, compare energy trends with the same period last year, or track performance month to month at a glance. Zoom into the chart to investigate hourly spikes, or switch effortlessly to monthly trends using the tabs, all without leaving the page. When you're ready to dive deeper, one click on Summary Data or Hourly Report exports a clear color-coded Excel file, ready for analysis, sharing, or presentations. With Acutrace by Pinergy, powerful energy insights are always at your fingertips. Discover what your site can reveal today.